Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share with you my Christmas tag number 6 that I'm sharing here in the Christmas tag series. It's part of a swap that I am participating in, and so I'm just sharing the 10 tags that we've had to make for this swap. And so I'm on tag number 6. Tag number 6 is a lantern. And here it is. I love how it turned out. It is a shaker lantern. And then I added this poinsettia that I layered up from a die. And I love the trim. That's the back. There's no to from on it. I haven't added that. I'm going to let them add it. But I ran out of poinsettias, so the ones I am gifting in the swap have 2 poinsettias on it. The one I'm keeping has just the one. I also should, because I ran out of ribbon, I'm going to switch out the ribbon as well. But yeah. So this is my tag number 6 in the swap. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Thank you for following along. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see her. And until my next video, shakas.